Hey guys, it's Mark from Migraine Professional. I used to suffer from migraines and headaches until about 5 years ago when I figured out how to beat them, and I've been migraine free ever since. Now I teach other people how to do the same, and in this video, we're going to be talking about a couple of acupressure points for migraines and headaches. So there's a couple of things before we kind of get into the points. It's really important for us to understand that we want to kind of do rotations or just hold the point. So we either want to kind of get really deep into it, get really deep into the point, and it has to be almost painful. You want to find the point that is painful and then ease off a little bit to find that kind of that middle ground between enough pressure but not painful. And so you want to either hold it or get into it with a rotation, either clockwise or counterclockwise. And it really helps if you have like some of the points like on where the thumb and the index finger meet. You can use a clip, like a kitchen clip, and put it there and hold it, and that will kind of, you can just put it on there and leave it and go about your day. Same with the toe point between your big toe and your second toe. You can put a clip there, and that will kind of do the same thing. It's just less effort than having to actually massage it. For some people it works, but again, acupressure, it's really give or take. For some people it'll help them, for other people it doesn't work for them. So you got to find what works for you, how many of the points you need to do, which points work for you, how strong you have to apply pressure, and you always want to make sure that you breathe while you're doing it. I mean, if nothing else, this is a great way for you to connect to your body, connect to what's going on, breathe, and switch yourself out of that stress mode, switch yourself out of that sympathetic mode into your parasympathetic rest, digest, and repair nervous system, and help your body kind of ease off a little bit, ease off of that stress and tension. So make sure to breathe nice and deep and slow and low. So the first point, we have 2 points on our hand. The first one is right here, kind of between your first two fingers. So nice and deep, you want to go nice and hard on it. And the second one is right at the bottom of your wrist on the outside. Same with the other hand, between the 2 fingers and at the wrist on the outside. Then you have your foot. Foot is I'm not going to show you, but it's between your first and second toes, your thumb and your second toe. Right between there, kind of the same area as this one. And then you have your 4 face points. Now the 4 face points are here, kind of at the bottom of your cheekbone, and then your nostril, and then your eyebrow ridge, and then your third eye point. Nice and simple, go through them one at a time. Either hold them, you want to hold for maybe 4 to 5 seconds and then release and breathe while you do it, and then 4 to 5 seconds and release and breathe while you do it. Or you just want to rotate. You want to rotate into them, you want to dig nice and deep. Then you have your 4 head points. So your head points are on the side here, on the ridge, kind of between your jaw and just under your ear, and then at the bottom of your skull. And then inside, kind of right at the middle of your head point. And then your last head point is right on your kind of above your ear in the middle of your head here. So try them out, give them a go. Let me know in the comments. Do any of them work for you? It's kind of a give or take. It's probably better to go to an acupuncturist, a certified traditional Chinese medicine acupuncturist. They'll be much more proficient at finding the areas that will benefit you, because these acupressure points, they work on your meridians. So in traditional Chinese medicine, your meridians are points of communication between your body. So in traditional Chinese medicine, your entire body is connected, and there are points on your hands, there are points on your ears, there are points on your skull, there are points on your face, there are points on your feet that are connected to all your organs and all your different systems of your body. And through manipulating them and changing the sort of the communication between them, you can change the expression of them and support them and help to kind of clear up a lot of the stagnation that can happen if we get ill, or if we get sick, or if we're developing some kind of issue, or if we're getting out of balance with our lifestyle. So let me know in the comments below, do these work for you? Thanks. Hey, it's Mark from migraineprofessional.com. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe in the bottom left corner, and if you want to learn more about migraines and headaches than you've ever known before, and understand what causes them, what creates them, and what you can do about them, make sure to go to migraineprofessional.com. Thanks.